Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I will teach you how to copy Instagram profile link. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So without wasting your time, let's go toward the video. Let you show that how to copy link on Instagram. First you have to click on your profile. To inform you that you must have an Instagram of the update info. So you see the share profile option, click on it to share your profile icon. Now you see the three options: QR code, copy link and share link. So if you want to only copy the link, click on the copy link, and if you want to share it with your friend, click on the share link. So you will get a multiple option when you click on the share link. So these are the multiple options through which you share your profile link with your friends. There is Instagram stories, WhatsApps, Facebook, Snapchat, Messenger. All of these are available. So these are the simple steps to copy link of your profile on Instagram. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any problem related to Instagram, we have complete playlist. Thanks for watching.